Ford created a Rainbow Easy, a Rainbow Ranger Raptor in response to an online troll.
They went out of their way to make a very elaborate ad.
Okay, the internet is a magical place. It's also a soundboard for all sorts of opinions. One internet commenter called Ford Germany's Ranger Raptor color very gay, and the company responded in the best way. Well, how did they respond? They did an actual edition?
They made an ad, not an edition,
Oh.
but a very insane ad. But because the car was blue.
Oh, so it didn't have a rainbow on it. It was just a blue color that the guy didn't appreciate. I got
Apparently the guy liked yellow and black. He wanted a Raptor that was painted that, but he didn't get it, so he called this gay.
Couldn't he have Raptor any color he wants? Like, you just order whatever you want, man.
I guess because the ad was offensive to him. Like this
Oh,
ad.
right. Okay.
But Ford responded, Ford Europe, and they made an ad of their own. And as you can see, they did some pretty impressive work here. Some Photoshop. They didn't just do this, but they actually physically wrapped the car with the
Rainbow.
with the color.
They
See here.
They went deep on it. They went all the way with it. They took the comment and flipped it around.
Yeah, as well as I believe this is the Ranger.
What is that thing? That's not a Ranger.
The little
Ka. Yeah.
okay, never mind.
Yeah, I guess this isn't the first time they've done it.
Too.
Wow. Well, I can't say that would be my paint job of choice there, but for the purpose of this, go for it.
Yeah.
You can have your Raptor, whatever you want with your Raptor, man.
Yeah.